What's up and welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today's test drive, 1929 Ford Street Rod. Does have a Chevrolet 3970010 motor, which is your common 350. Electric fan, aluminum radiator, a lot of custom artwork. This is beautiful. Look at the bird. That's right. Detailed pictures, finance, and shipping, maplemotors.com. I'm doing a test drive picking out the flaws, so anything that I see on this one you'll know about. We'll go down the road and see how she runs and drives as well. There's also a top that comes along with it. We'll go over and check it out in just a moment. All I need y'all to do is hit subscribe, share this video. You know what time it is. Let's go for a ride. So we have this separate. I'm not going to put it on today. I have detailed pictures of the top put on the car. You can see it has the mirrors. It's in great shape. And we're trying to take care of it, obviously. But yes, we do have a top for it. All right. Let's look around in here. Got the digital dash, custom interior. Not a whole lot of room. I like to tell y'all I am 5'10", around 210 on weight, and I fit in here okay. Don't have a ton of leg room, as you can see. She starts up easy. It's got the power option. Pull the trunk. Coming up, you do have to help it up. Goes down just fine. Water temperature's working, oil pressure's working. It's not flashing like that. That is the refresh rate on the camera here. It's got mileage. Tax working as well. And we got gas. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? I haven't tried it. Billet specialty steering wheel. Turn signals. Well, we'll be checking those throughout the video. Can't see them from here. The tilt column is rubbing. Look at that. It goes up to the left to help you get out. I mean, to the right. All right. Well, horn. Did you place your bets? It does work. Let's hit the road. See how she runs and drives. Okay, let's hit the road. See how she runs and drives here. This is the first time that I've driven this. Yeah, that's reverse. I didn't even feel it go into gear, but it's definitely in reverse. Drive. I felt that. Of course, no power steering. Let's see, is that all the way down on the steering column? It sure is. I'm just waiting on a little bit of traffic and then we'll cut out of here. And I'll see what's going on. If there is something wrong, you will know about it. Hopefully the wind noise is minimal. But all I got's this window here. She's going straight down the road. Got pretty tight steering, a little bit of slack. Kick down is hooked up on this one. Oh, that little thing was whistling there. You see that trim kind of fell off on us? This thing's pretty quick. There's nothing to it though. I hit the brakes. Brakes are good. Back in your throttle. I love it. We don't have to stop and get gas today, which is great. Because there's a small chance of rain and I don't want to be caught in it. So we're going to go ahead and get over to the park and get some outside shots after this. Undercarriage shots, we're going to find out. It's pretty low to the ground. I'm not destroying my camera today, I can tell you that. But we do have detailed pictures on the website of it. We'll go ahead and turn here. We got a truck up there. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna pull into the parking lot here, get a few outside shots. Hopefully not get rained on today. If it is windy on the camera, I'm sorry guys. There's not much blocking the wind here today. let's get these outside shots. Okay, we're rolling out here. Should be good to go. And we beat the rain so far, I think we're gonna make it back just in time. So this one's really easy to drive. Haven't had any issues there. Doesn't have power steering, but it's so light, it's easy to turn. You get used to the interior, but yeah, you don't have a whole lot of leg room, so you don't want to be riding for hours on end or anything. It'd be more of an in-town cruiser. Go to the local cruise in, maybe go to the gas station, to the stores. Unless you're a small person. And then this is perfect. You will run up on people quick though. You don't have to give it much gas. It flies. This thing is very quick. It's like a 350 with a go-kart frame. Tire rubbed up there. There was a dip in the road. A little bump in the road up here. The car wasn't as low as I expected. I got the camera underneath. Bump here. A little stiff. A little stiff on the suspension. Not terrible. It's still a little bit bumpy. I'm right around the corner from Maple Motors. We're getting ready to pull back in there and put this in the showroom before any kind of rain starts. It hasn't done anything yet, but I know it's on the way. I'm gonna do walking around. I'm gonna picking out the flaws. I'm gonna walk around this ride, look for chips, scratches, dents, any little imperfections that I can find, so you know what you're getting. And of course, I do this on every car, and it helps me out. Hit subscribe and share this video. That way I keep doing this every day. Let's just say I enjoy my job. There goes one of our cars. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. This thing is insanely cool. All right, we're gonna walk around it. Any kind of chip scratches I find, you'll know about it. Let's get started. Whew. Got lights down here. It's beautiful. Set of billet specialty wheels, clean inside and out. Little chip there. Scratch here. Little chip here. And there, these little steps, man. They like to get little chips and cracks on them. Chip on the edge. Down the side there, you can see on the gas cap, it's got little chips all over it. The blemish up here, it's really small. Crack there. Light little chips in the back. Coming around the back end here. Oh yeah. DVD. Chip right there. All right, coming down this side. Little spot. Light scratch. Little crack in the corner there. Little chip here. Chip there and there. Also on up a little bit. And in the corner here. Little spot up there. Right here as well. Spot there. Cracks in the paint below that headlight. Right here as well. Load the alternator. Trying to squeeze through here with my camera. It fits most places. Just there, and there. Looks like something on the front here too. Alternator's got a little bit of pitting on it. Looks like some blemishes right here in the paint. Paint job is awesome on this one. I love it. Chips there. Would you look at that? Great. Opening the door here. Door panel has a little bit of dirt up top to be cleaned up. Rockford Fosgate speakers in there. Little rips in some of the interior trim. Seat there's got a little bit of a dark spot in it. Carpet looks great. Car looks great. Starts right up. Guys, pretty easy to walk around. This thing's awesome. Detailed pictures, finance, and shipping, maplemotors.com. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share. That helps me out quite a bit. And I'll keep making these test drives for you. We update every Monday with new rides. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.